guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening up this Octonauts Remote Control Gup-K. This is the ultimate swamp utility vehicle. This comes with Captain Barnacles, but it can carry up to 6 crew members. It's got a remote control, 2 removable swamp speeders, a water cannon, a water dart, and a baby alligator to rescue. Race and chomping action! Race to the rescue on the swamp speeders. Activate the water cannon. Also available are the RC Gup-B and the Gup-A. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at this set. We have 2 swamp speeders. They hold on to our characters really well so they don't fall off. Super simple! The swamp speeders can stay right here on the top of the Gup-K. The water cannon comes with 1 water projectile. That'll be perfect for putting out fires. It can also turn around in circles. It has these really cool handles that our Octonauts can hold on to. Launch the water cannon! Yay! So fun! This set comes with Captain Barnacles. His arms move, his head turns, and his legs bend. How fun! There's a spot for him to stand in the cockpit. There you go, Captain Barnacles. This set also comes with a baby alligator that you can rescue. Aw, he's so cute. We also have this fun remote control. Push forward, he goes forward. And if you push him backwards, he also spins. So fun! And when you move him, his mouth opens and closes. He looks just like a crocodile. I love his fun eyes. And look at those spines on his nose. He can fit up to 6 Octonauts. Look, Kwazee's joined us. Climb aboard, Kwazee. Kwazee could sit here or here. He can stand behind the launcher or fit inside one of the 2 places still inside the Gup-K. Let's see the Gup-K in action. We need to find the baby alligator. He's hidden here in the swamp and he's feeling very lonely. We don't know where he is. Let's go look. I don't see the baby alligator anywhere. I think we need to send out the swamp speeder. Go on, Kwazee, go find the baby alligator. Sure thing, Captain Barnacles. Oh, I see the baby alligator. He looks a little scared. How are we gonna get him out? I found the baby alligator, Captain Barnacles, but he's hiding and I'm not quite sure how to get him out. Show me where he is. Okay, follow me. Mama! Well, that was easier than expected. We rescued the baby alligator. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.